and Vastu or Feng Shui consultant. His expertise on these subjects have benefited the public in various ways. Since the outset of his column in Sunday Tribune Herald, today he had a wide following of Facebooks and famous local international clientele as well. However, he is such a humble gentleman who encourages personal and spiritual growth in those who meet him. He not only has tremendous faith in the Holy Sundarkan, but he prescribed it to anyone who is eager to experience the blessing and bliss of Holy Sundarkan has to offer. He also enjoys distributing these complimentary copies, asking that the recipient who observe a vegetarian fast and be clean and read with devotion. Today he is blessed in Durban and love it, and he is eager to assist any person of any religion, belief, system of race group with knowledge and experience he has acquired through his practice of Vedic astrology. Thank you, Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
Thank you very much, Bhanji. One line I liked it. I really enjoyed distributing books. Always sweet. What a wonderful devotees. All the God under one roof. They are making a power pack. Everything is here. So nice. And I believe now it's your supper time. So I won't take you more time because without food you won't enjoy God's name too. As we know, it's a Ramayan week. In South Africa, in India, we call Navratri. As we know, Hanumanji is still living on earth and he's still showering his blessings to us. To please Hanumanji, it's very easy and he's so merciful. According to scriptures, there are 3 books that can please Lord Hanumanji so much. Hanuman Chalisa, Sankat Mochan, and Sundarkand. Hanuman Chalisa is so powerful, whether you know the Hindi vocabulary or not a single word of Hindi, you listen few days, you will learn by heart. That's the power of Hanuman Chalisa. Whether a child born in France, America, India, anywhere, he just learned Hanuman Chalisa. I don't know what's a miracle. About Hanuman Chalisa, it was written by Tulsidas Ji Maharaj. How it was written, it's a very interesting story. He was captured by a cruel king called Akbar and he was chained up. Then suddenly from his mouth, Hanuman Chalisa, 40 verses came. So, Hanuman Chalisa instantly gives you willpower. If you are in a fear, it gives you, make you strong. Bal Buddhi Vidya, it gives you power, it gives you wisdom, it gives you education. Bhoot Pishas Nikat Nahi Aave. Yes, this is South Africa. Every third, fourth house, you think negative energy, ghost or spirits, anything. So Bhoot Pishas Nikat Nahi Aave. So Hanuman Chalisa. So Hanuman Chalisa is so beneficial for us. You make a part of it. And shorter version is a Sankat Mochan. If you are in an eclipse, not eclipse, if you are having a legal problem, if you are so old and nobody is listening to you, then your electricity bill came maybe 10,000 rand and nobody is listening to you, Sankat Mochan. Then it's Sundarkand. It's a 5th chapter of Ramayana. It's so powerful. I was printing in English. I had a doubt that maybe it gives the same result like in Hindi. But believe me, it gives more result in English rather in Hindi in India. I don't know why. It's such a miraculous results people are getting. Impossible thing become possible. Any righteous wishes fulfill quickly. There is nothing that you can't achieve by Sundarkand. But Sundarkand needs rules and regulations. But Sundarkand needs your devotion. Sundarkand needs your dedication. Sundarkand needs sitting in one place taking God's name. Taking God's name is the hardest work on earth. Tomorrow if you have a shop, you can say, ki, go there, you can tell how much money you can make it, you can't tell. But you can tell, ki, tomorrow 10 hours I want to chant God's name. You can change your destiny by this. So hardest thing is taking God's name with dedication and discipline. But it's the easiest thing also to take the God's name with love and anything. So Sundarkand, it's a 5th chapter. It's in a Roman English, it's have a rules and regulations, first 2 pages. Please follow the rules and regulations. Any book that is a miraculous results that gives, it has to be very strict rules and regulations. All other our scriptures are in a very religious scriptures that fulfill your spiritual upliftment more. Sundarkand fulfill your spiritual upliftment and material upliftment. You have to be vegetarian when you read Sundarkand. It has to be read in one sitting when you're reading at home, and light a ghee diya in front of Sita Ram, Lakshman, Hanuman picture and say, I am reading Sundarkand for my this aim or this purpose. You can do for 11 days in a year. You can do 21 days in a year or 51 days a year, and after that once a week. Other mantras and other prayer people says do it in the morning. Sundarkand give more good results when you do in the night. So no excuse. Come from work, do the 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, even 12 o'clock. Then you do it. But do it in one sitting. Don't take it book because it's I am giving you, take it. It's a very, very precious book. If you want to read it, take it. Don't keep the book and make a part of yourself. Make a part in your heart. And Sundarkand rules and regulations, I told you. This is an unusual picture of Lord Hanuman. Can you see it? It's called Salasar Balaji. Hanumanji lives in this temple. It's 3 hours from Jaipur. Lot of South Africans had experienced the miraculous results from this temple. If you get chance, dear devotees must go there. If you don't get chance, still at your home, you can Salasar Balaji ki jai, you can follow or you can pray to this form of Hanumanji. He is so merciful. All your wishes, righteous, fulfilled there. People, I told them, go Salasar Balaji. After few years, I asked, hey, why you didn't come for astrology? No, everything is fine. I felt good. So, this is a miraculous book. Read it, and per family you can take it, or per person you can take it. Husband, wife is so much loving relationship for God. They say, no, my book separate, timing. You can take it. As much. I have English copies and I have Hindi copies. Whatever you want. Thank you so much for inviting me here. Thank you all the temple committee members for inviting me. It's a great honor to distribute the books. And I am very fortunate to distributing the book. You are also very fortunate to get the book. And the people who are the most fortunate, the people who will read it. If you don't read it, my purpose of giving won't sort it out. Your purpose also didn't sort it out. So don't cry, pray. 21 times a year, 31 times a year, or once a week. Read Sundarkand, light ghee diya in front of you, the Sita Ram, Lakshman, Hanuman, and enjoy and be happy.